Aishwarya, after the meetings were held and the government took up this matter, now this disclaimer will go ahead of the series on the Netflix platform.
Well, certainly big update coming in as far as the meeting is concerned with the INB secretary and the Netflix content head Monica Shergill. It was informed to her that the Netflix India should put out the disclaimer on the uproar of the viewers. Remember, there was objections that were raised on the social media platform by the viewers that the Indian names were used and the code names were used, and there was no disclaimer in the end or in the beginning of the web series, which states that these hijackers belongs to Pakistan, and they were Pakistan-backed from the Pakistan-backed terror organization, and therefore the reason perhaps correct storytelling needs to be done, and therefore the reason perhaps today the Information Broadcasting Ministry asked them to put the disclaimer. The official statement has come out from the Netflix India team. They have stated now that for the benefit of the audience, those who are unfamiliar with the 1999 hijacking of Indian airline flight IC814, the opening disclaimer has been updated to include the real and code names of the hijackers. The statement also states that the code names in the series reflect those used during the actual events. And remember, this is the same that has also been written in the MEA statement back they released in 2000s. It was also further stated in the Netflix India statement that India has a rich culture of storytelling, and we are committed to showcasing these stories and their authentic representation. Remember, the government of India yesterday revealed to the to NDTV that the sentiments of Indians cannot be heard, the storytelling should not be wrong, and therefore the reason perhaps the content chief was summoned today at the IB ministry. The meeting lasted for almost an hour, and after she went back to from the ministry, now an official release had come. Netflix had updated their opening disclaimer for the web series IC814 with the original names of these hijackers.
All right, Aishwarya, thanks so much for joining us with those details. So Netflix putting out that statement. Let's just listen in. There was a press conference a short while ago in which that statement was read out. Let's listen in.
वो आप Netflix की टीम से यहाँ पर ले सकते हैं. तो please note, this is the only official statement on this matter. There are a lot of reports online, and I request our esteemed members of the press to please refer to this particular statement. And I'm reading it as per quote from Monica Shergill, Vice President Content, Netflix India. Please pay attention. For the benefit of audiences unfamiliar with the 1999 hijacking of Indian Airlines Flight 814, the opening disclaimer has been updated to include the real and code names of the hijackers. The code names in the series reflect those used during the actual event. India has a rich culture of storytelling, and we are committed to showcasing these stories and their authentic representation. Would you like me to repeat that once again, or would you like to go ahead and take this quote again? I'll quickly read it for you. For the benefit of audiences unfamiliar with the 1999 hijacking of Indian Airlines Flight 814, the opening disclaimer has been updated to include the real and code names of the hijackers. The code names in the series reflect those used during the actual event. India has a rich culture of storytelling, and we